Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to restore MySQL database to new XAMPP installation. Stop Apache and MySQL services. Open File Explorer. Click this PC, C drive. Open old XAMPP folder. Click MySQL. Click Data folder. Copy IB Data 1 file. Open newly installed XAMPP folder. Click MySQL. Click to open Data folder. Paste already copied IB Data 1 file. Click Replace the file in the destination. Go to old XAMPP folder. MySQL, Data folder. Copy Database folder. Paste the database folder to newly installed XAMPP data folder. Now open XAMPP control panel. Start Apache and MySQL services. Database is added successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.